This is a mud fossil lung that has been manipulated by man, because you could clearly see, possibly, nose, mouth, eyes in different directions. I couldn't move the light because the dog's down there sleeping. So I hope this is enough light to see whatever it is that you're meant to see. Mud fossils are everything that was caught in the flood. So there wasn't, the earth was, as it always has been, unless it's been shot up in air, burial places. But these things were all the creatures that was on the land was caught up in the flood. As we know, some was in higher grounds, so they made it. Some went into cave systems, which I know I still want to talk about cave systems. I know I've mentioned it over the years. I guess when the time comes, the time comes. But everything's biology. Everything is made up of something. It's all made up of something. Well, I hope you guys seen things. Maybe learned something. As you can see, though, the top of this is more white, or white-ish. In the bottom and the other side is more dark, which it probably the way it was laying in the ground whatever this person, creature was laying in the direction of wherever it laid. But the blood side would be down because it would run down. So I hope you guys seen something, maybe learned something. I don't know. But here is this lung. And as you can tell by how it landed, it's got some weight to it. So thank you all for watching. And I love you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy your day, your night. And may we all feel our blessings throughout this day and always. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. And love y'all. And bye-bye for now.